Anambra State Internal Revenue Service Recruitment Exams Past Questions and Answers compiled by JobsGivers. Question 1. Which legal framework grants AIRS the autonomy to manage its internal affairs and personnel? A. The Federal Finance Act. B. Anambra State Revenue Administration Law. C. The Civil Service Handbook. D. The Land Use Act. Correct answer B. Question 2. What is the primary function of the tax audit department in AIRS? A. To arrest citizens on the streets. B. To provide free accounting software. C. To verify the accuracy of tax paid by taxpayer. D. To draft new state constitution. Correct answer C. Question 3. Under the current administration, the solution tax reform focus heavily on which of the following? A. Manual paper filing. B. Elimination of all taxes. D. Digitalization of and automation collection. D. Increasing the number of physical roadblocks. Correct answer C. Question 4. Which of these is a requirement for obtaining a tax clearance certificate? A. Evidence of tax payment for the last 3 years. B. Proof of marriage. C. A letter of recommendation from a traditional ruler. D. A valid international passport only. Correct answer A. Question 5. Which tier of government is responsible for collecting the development levy? A. Federal government. B. Local government. C. State government. D. Foreign embassies. Correct answer C. Question 6. What is the penalty for a tax agent who failed to remit tax deducted from employee? A. 5% discount on future taxes. B. A verbal warning. C. Prosecution and a fine of 10% of the amount plus interest. D. There is no penalty. Correct answer C. Question 7. In tax law, what does nexus refer to? A. A high-speed internet connection. B. The connection between taxpayer and the taxing jurisdiction. C. Secret code for tax officers. D. The name of the AIRS headquarters. Correct answer B. Question 8. Which of the following is not a component of the Personal Income Tax Amended Act? A. Personal allowance. B. Consolidated relief allowance. C. Minimum tax. D. Corporate dividend tax. Correct answer D. Question 9. Taxpayers in the informal sector in Anambra are often categorized under which regime? A. High net worth individual regime. B. Presumption tax regime. C. Petroleum profit tax regime. D. Diplomatic immunity regime. Correct answer B. Question 10. What is the significance of the Anambra State identification number? A. It is only for people living in Oka. B. It is a unique identifier for every taxpayer in the state. C. It is used to buy fuel at a discount. D. It is a temporary number that changes every month. Correct answer B. Question 11. Which body monitors the activities of the State Internal Revenue Service to ensure transparency? A. The Board of Internal Revenue. B. The Local Government Council. C. The National Union of Teachers. D. The Market Trader Association. Correct answer A. Question 12. Capital gain tax is applicable when which of the following occurs? A. A baby is born. B. A business loses money. C. A person receives their monthly salary. D. Profit is made from the sale of an asset like land and share. Correct answer D. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of exempt income? A. disability pension, B, overtime pay, C, performance bonus, D, basic allowance. Correct answer A. Question 14. What is the standard rate for withholding tax on construction contract for an individual? A, 2.5%, B, 15%, C, 10%, D, 5%. Correct answer D. Question 15. Tax avoidance is considered as A, a criminal offense, B, mandatory for all citizens, C, the same as tax evasion, D, legal but often viewed as unethical. Correct answer D. Question 16. Which of these is a duty of the enforcement unit of AIRS? A, to bake bread for the staff, B, to ensure compliance through legal destroying or sealing of premises, C, to teach mathematics in school, D, to clean the street of Onitsha. Correct answer B. Question 17. What is the due date for the remittance of payee tax? A, within 10 days of the end of the month, B, by the 31st of December, C, at the beginning of the year, D, whenever the company is ready. Correct answer A. Question 18. Which of these define tax residence in Anambra State? A, someone who reside someone who visited the state for one day. B, an individual who work or reside in the state for at least 183 days. C, a person born in Anambra but living in London. D, anyone who likes the state. Correct answer B. Question 19. What does the direct assessment system involve? A, deducting tax from salary. B, accessing only international company. C, assessing self-employed individual based on their declaration or estimated income. D, assessing children's pocket money. Correct answer C. Question 20. Which of these serve as a bank of last resort for tax disputes in Nigeria? A, the police station. B, the tax appeal tribunal stroke high court. C, the village square. D, the revenue office front desk. Correct answer B. Question 21. What is the current value added tax VAT rate in Nigeria? A, 5%, B, 10%, C, 7.5%, D, 2.5%. Correct answer C. Question 22. Which of these is not a source of IGR for Anambra State? A, road taxes. B, business premises registration. C, import duties through custom. D, signage and advertisement fee. Correct answer C. Question 23. Proportional taxation means what? A, everyone pay the same percentage of their income. B, the more you earn, the higher the percentage you pay. C, poor people pay more than the rich. D, no one pay any tax. Correct answer A. Question 24. Which document is issued after a successful tax audit? A, a birth certificate. B, a letter of clearance or a revised assessment. C, a driver license. D, a warrant of arrest. Correct answer B. Question 25. Which of these describe the tax base? A, the physical floor of the tax office. B, the underground parking at AIRS. C, the list of tax officers' name. D, the total value of asset or income that can be taxed by the government. Correct answer B. Thank you very much for watching. Please note, JobsGivers is an independent career support platform. This page is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or representing any government agency or any other private organization. All content on this page were researched and compiled by us for exam preparation purposes. See you in our next video. Bye.